In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on existing Wix website. Let's jump right into the editor for the site you want to update. Once you're in the Wix website editor, look to the left side where your site pages live. This is where we'll add a brand new page without affecting your existing content. Click to open the Pages panel and choose Add Page. From the options that appear, select Landing Page. Wix provides landing page layouts that are streamlined for focus, which is great for promotions, signups, or any single action you want visitors to take. Before you commit, click Preview to see how the design behaves. Previewing lets you scan the layout, check how sections flow, and confirm that the overall style fits your brand. If it looks good, exit the preview and click Add Page to insert that landing page into your site. When the page is added, click Done to close the setup window so you can start editing right on the canvas. Now let's customize the content. Click directly on the highlighted elements on your landing page: the main headline, the background, the text blocks, and buttons. When an edit panel appears, choose Quick Edit for streamlined controls. From there, open the Content tab. This is where you'll replace the placeholder copy with your own headline, supporting text, and any key details your visitors need to say yes. Keep your message clear and action-oriented. For visuals, use the content options to swap images or video so the hero section feels on-brand and attention-grabbing. Select your primary button and update its label to make the call to action unmistakable. Set its destination so clicks go exactly where you want, whether that's a product, a form, or another page on your site. Repeat this process for any other highlighted areas you see. If your layout includes features, testimonials, or FAQs, refine that content so it supports a single goal and avoids distractions. As you go, keep an eye on spacing and alignment so everything looks clean and consistent. When your content is in place and the page looks the way you want, it's time to make it live. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Wix will process your changes and add the landing page to your live site. Finally, click Done to confirm and return to your editing workspace. That's it. You've created a focused landing page on your existing Wix website. Tweak and refine as needed, and you'll be ready to